Hi, I'm Axel, the founder of WhatsAble, and I want to show you the best way to integrate your Pipedrive with WhatsApp. First, let me tell you good news. You're now able to connect the WhatsApp business app from your phone with our system, and we are official Meta tech providers. This means your WhatsApp is less likely to get blocked. You can use the official WhatsApp API and also use WhatsApp Business on your phone as you're used to, while accessing AI bots and advanced workflow automation with our Pipedrive integration. First, let me tell you that you're in good hands with us. We have a 4.8 Trustpilot score, and our customers always mention how good our customer support is and how good our tool works. So if you need help setting it all up, please don't hesitate to schedule a demo call with us, and we'll be happy to help you to get you automated as much as possible for your business success. After you've connected your WhatsApp business app to our system, the next thing we're gonna do is choose what happens when someone who's never messaged us on WhatsApp and is not on Pipedrive sends us a message. In this case, I'm going to choose to create a new person on Pipedrive. Next, I'm going to choose to create a new deal, and then I'm going to select to which pipeline I want that person to go to. This means every time someone who's not on my Pipedrive sends me a message on WhatsApp, it's automatically added as a deal in a specific pipeline. You can also choose to create a new lead. Next, you also choose what happens when a deal that was closed sends you a new WhatsApp message. It can reopen a closed deal, or it can continue syncing inside a closed deal. Because of our amazing Zapier, Make, and n8n integration, you're also able to access advanced automations inside your Pipedrive or other tools whenever messages come or go. All your chats get automatically synced to your deal or to your lead. As you can see here, each time you send a message or you get a message from your lead, it automatically appears inside of your deals area. You can continue the WhatsApp conversation with your leads by opening our live chat and talking with the lead. If you have people in your team, you're also able to see who in your team is sending each message. Next, I want to show you how easy it is to create a lead qualification bot or any AI bot that you want inside our system. Simply click on AI bot, create an agent name, give it a specific business mission, give it all your knowledge about your business, give it any custom instructions, and the best part is we have our advanced human handover capacity. This means you can define in which cases you want a conversation to go from the AI to a human by either specifying keywords that will trigger to get labeled as a human is needed in this conversation, as well as giving specific instructions of when a human should go into the conversation, such as if it looks like a high ticket sale. If you have people in your team or it's just you, you will get a push notification when a human is needed in the conversation. If you have a big team and you have your chats divided per different employees, the employees assigned to that conversation will get a push notification on our Android and iOS app saying a human is needed in that conversation so that they can continue that right away. You can give access to your employees to specifically labeled conversations or to all conversations on your WhatsApp. If you have a big team, you can give access to conversations that are specifically assigned to specific employees. They will only receive push notifications on our app for the conversations they have access to, and they will only be able to see the conversations that they are assigned to. Besides that, you will be able to see on the Pipedrive activity all the messages that your employees are sending or that the AI of that employee is sending on their behalf. Next, if you're handling conversations manually and you want to schedule follow-up messages, you can simply go here and say send schedule message. You'll be able to select the template that you want to send to the person, add any specific variable information, give more information to the bot or add the note to yourself, and then you can choose when you want to send this message, as well as specific rules such as only send this message if the lead did not reply anything. This allows you to send smart follow-up messages without having to keep track of the conversations yourself. If you want to bulk message a large part of your leads, you can do so quickly from the button below. Click on broadcast and then choose who is going to receive this bulk message campaign. For example, all my agency customers are going to receive a message. I choose which template I want to send, and then I click on send now. This will automatically start bulk messaging all the conversations labeled with agency, and you don't need to worry about getting your WhatsApp blocked because our system delivers the messages slowly to avoid WhatsApp blocking you for bulk messaging too many people. I want to quickly show you our advanced integration with Zapier, Make, and n8n. You can create specific things on Zapier to send messages based on advanced changes on your Pipedrive. You can go to Make and, for example, send a message each time a lead has arrived to your Pipedrive. You can send an initial welcome message and then also schedule follow-up messages if the lead did not reply to the first message, as well as sending further follow-up messages very easily. This works both on Make, Zapier, and N8N, and it works in the same way. You can see, you can simply choose to add one more day for the follow-up and only send the message if the person did not reply anything in the last 24 hours or other more advanced conditions like reply. Our app is accessible to all your users in Pipedrive, so everyone sees the same thing and has the same features, but they can only see the conversations they are assigned to if they don't have access to all the conversations. Last but not least, I want to show you our analytics page, where you can see all the conversations and see what's going on in your business at any time. If you have any question or need help with your setup, please don't hesitate to schedule a Zoom call. I'll be happy to help you with your setup, and we'll make sure you're set up for success. Thank you, and happy WhatsApp automation on Pipedrive.